Hi, I'm Kevin from Hudson Engineering Services and welcome to the second video in the instalments for the Aston Martin Vantage V600 Le Mans. If you've watched the previous video, you'll be aware that the crankshaft had some issues, and so we'll talk about that a little bit later on in this video. We're working through the engine and carry on with all the processes to get everything ready for the final assembly. So what we've done with the cylinder heads is these have been completely dismantled. Every single component has been checked and toleranced. It was in, as we expected, remarkably good condition. So all we've done is a full decoke, completely cleaned the castings, all the internals, all the valves. The heads have had the cylinder head faces machined by a minimum amount equally, so they both measure the same height. And the cylinder heads have been reassembled, carefully reassembled by Alistair with new valve stem oil seals, and they will be now wrapped and put in secure storage for the rest of the engine to catch up. So with the V600, as we mentioned earlier while I was looking at the cylinder heads, the crankshaft failure was unexpected, and what we've done is we're actually having a crankshaft manufactured for the engine. We've just been sent the drawings from approval. Arrow are making the crank for us, and they have sent us this drawing to approve. So what we'll do is we'll go through all the dimensions and just make sure everything is right. I'm sure it will be. Arrow do such a fabulous job. So what we're planning on doing is in this, this is a brief interim video in the series for the V600. When the crank is being manufactured, we're going to take a visit to Arrow, and we'll shoot some more footage there of the crank actually being made. The processes involved, I'm sure everybody would find really interesting, and it'd be a great insight to what goes into these fabulous engineering. So that crankshaft at the moment will be a piece of metal bar, and that metal bar will be machined and ground and ultimately turned into a beautiful crankshaft for our Aston Martin V600. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and come back if you're interested in this sort of thing, because we'll be going out visiting the manufacturer. We'll be videoing each aspect of the V600 rebuild, so it'll give you real insight in such an incredibly rare and interesting Aston Martin. So do hope you've enjoyed this short video, and we'll hopefully see you next time. Thank you.